What's up guys, this is Glenn and welcome to the channel, man. So if you don't know, I've been off Minoxidil for 2 months. So this is my first video after 2 months. So decided to come back, man. And if you don't know, again, I've been on Minoxidil for 6 months. Then I decided to be off for these 2 months. And hey man, as you can see, I haven't lost not so much of my gains, man. Not so much of my gains, as you can see. I haven't lost that much. I haven't lost that much. Yes, I'm just making this video to tell you guys that I'm back and I'll be consistent as I used to be. While I was off, though, I was busy with other stuff. Actually, I was busy making some music videos. Busy with my work, obviously. So yeah, if there is a nice music video that I did, man, if you want to see it, you can check the link below, man. I'm the one who edited it and directed it, man. Yeah, I'm just happy to say I'm back, guys. And so what is it that I was doing when I was off Minoxidil? Actually, I wasn't doing much. I wasn't applying Minoxidil. Yes, I was applying my peppermint beard oil, and so I was also doing push-ups and taking the supplements. I didn't demerol, man. It was not a good idea, demerol. I don't think demerolling is part of my journey anymore. I will never gonna demerol anymore, as much as it works, but it's not good for me. So guys, I'm just doing this video just to tell you that I'm back, and I'll start applying Minoxidil this week till my supply ends, because I'm left with half of my fully gain Minoxidil foam version. So yeah, man, that's it. Thank you guys for watching and welcome back to the channel. Don't forget, guys, to like, subscribe and comment to the channel. And also, guys, if you want to grow a beard, don't forget Minoxidil is the way. Cheers.